Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna be discuss how to use JazzCache in non-PTA phones. So it's not possible to use JazzCache in non-PTA. It's one method to work. It's use JazzCache in your phone. First of all, open up Chrome and then search for JazzCache helpline. As you can see, guys. So scroll down, overview JazzCache tab here. Scroll it down. As you can see, guys, content us, so tap here, scroll down, tap on content us. As you can see, guys, what is your name? I am giving my name. And then what is your email name? I am giving my email. And then give it your phone number. So I am giving my phone number. So select and then tap on select protect. As you can see, guys, so I am selecting this one and then tap on suggest it and then give it this. Hi JazzCache team, I am using JazzCache in non-PTA phone, please help me, thanks. And then tap on I am not a robot and then select traffic light. As you can see, guys, is traffic light, so I am selecting traffic light and then tap on next. As you can see, guys, is car, so select a car. As you can see, guys, it's done, so tap on submit and then your request sent to JazzCache team and then JazzCache help your Gmail and then your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's it, guys, for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. You have any problem, let me in the comment, I will help you more. Thanks for watching.